Hi there. Let's talk about how we're reimagining manufacturing. At AionX Digital, we're proud to bring you Manufex Cloud, our industrial IoT-powered SaaS platform, built to modernize and digitize shop floors with intelligence. Manufex Cloud is all about getting manufacturers real-time visibility, control, and predictability, using the power of IIoT, AI, and the cloud. We've designed it to simplify operations, cut downtime, and unlock hidden efficiencies. Our platform captures everything, from machine states like running, idle, stopped, to the actual count of process jobs. With AI-driven analytics and predictive maintenance, it not only tells you what's happening, it tells you what's about to happen. Get alerts via email, mobile, or WhatsApp. View real-time dashboards and even track trends in downtime, power loss, or performance across all your machines in one clean interface. What really sets Manufex Cloud apart? It seamlessly integrates with ERP systems like SAP. Production orders flow in from SAP. Machine data flows back as confirmations. No manual entries, no silos, just automated, accurate end-to-end connectivity. And here's where it gets smarter. We've embedded AI and natural language processing, NLP. Need downtime reports or productivity summaries? Just ask, literally. Type your question and get instant answers. It's insight on demand. Manufex Cloud runs securely on Google Cloud Platform. We follow industry-grade security, TLS encryption, RBAC, and compliance with ISO 27001. The impact: reduced machine downtime, intelligent maintenance alerts, accurate shift-wise performance data, connected operations, from machines to your ERP to your decision makers. Manufex Cloud is more than an app. It's your industrial command center, built for factories, trusted by leaders, powered by data. Let's kickstart your digital manufacturing journey.